Jordan Brand continues to celebrate the legacy of Michael Jordan through carefully crafted releases that connect performance history with everyday style. Over the years, the brand has expanded beyond the court, presenting footwear that reflects MJ's influence on culture, fashion, and lifestyle. One notable example is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG done in clean, tonal executions. Originally introduced in 2016, this low-cut design removed the traditional side swooshes, giving the classic silhouette a more refined and versatile look. The Arctic Orange colorway stood out for its soft, seasonal appeal, making it easy to wear both casually and smartly. Recent official images confirm that the upcoming release stays true to the original, even retaining the same product code from the first run. With current sneaker trends favoring slim profiles and subtle branding, this understated Jordan 1 Low OG is well positioned to attract fans who prefer a low-key yet iconic style. Expect pairs to release soon through official Jordan Brand channels.